Hi everyone. So in this video, we will be talking about the example number 3 of game types in Accenture. So let's discuss about this. Okay. So first of all, if you will look closely, there will be total two examples which we have already completed for the type 1 and type 2. So if you are not watching our free series, okay, please take the full benefit of the free series because we are uploading the free preparation series for Accenture. So make sure you take the full advantage of it. This is the third video of game 3. Game 1 and game 2 already we have explained. Also, apart from this, you will be getting the link of this in description. Make sure to like this video for our efforts because we are putting our 100% to check this that students can crack the Accenture. Now, you will be getting the link of the mock test series also in the description. You can basically purchase the mock test series. Link will be in the description. All the games with different examples you will be getting here. Apart from this, technical paper you will be getting, you can see here the technical paper with the full solution. The typed solution is also there with the exact screenshot of the questions is there. So you will be getting the technical assessment full paper, also the previous year and the similar questions of Accenture which they are asking, everything you will be getting. And for the practice you will be getting multiple mock test which you can attempt for your practice. So a lot of things you will be getting here in the Accenture mock test series. The price is very less, so you definitely you can purchase it. The link will be in the description for your preparation. If you have your assessment, basically even if you have your assessment in 1 to 2 days, you can definitely take the full advantage because in the technical assessment we provided the typed question with the solution which you can easily cover in 2 hours. Okay, so link of this will be in the description. Let's understand our game number 3 with a detailed example. Suppose this is our game with a complex example where we have two keys, start point and the exit point. Now first, to understand the game, there will be some doors which will be locked, so travel you cannot travel from the locked doors. We need to collect the keys, but the locked doors we cannot see. We cannot see the locked doors. There will be some invisible walls which we cannot crack, but we cannot see the invisible walls. Suppose this is our total grid. In this total grid, if you can see here, 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5 6, it's a 5 cross 6 grid. Okay, in this grid, suppose there are some locked doors. For example, this door, suppose this wall is invisible wall, this wall is invisible wall, this wall is invisible wall. Okay, and suppose this wall is invisible wall, and suppose this wall is invisible wall, and this wall is invisible wall, this wall is invisible wall, and suppose this wall is invisible wall. Suppose these are the invisible walls. Okay, and now from the starting point we need to reach out to the exit point. This is our task. So from starting point we need to reach out to the exit point. This is our task, but we cannot see these invisible walls. Okay, now to reach out to the exit point from a starting point we will start, but whenever we will be colliding with the invisible wall we will be returning back to our start point. This is the basic rule. So basically, suppose we are starting from this start point. Okay, this is our start point, we are starting from here. But now if we will collide with any invisible wall, we will be again back to this start point. Okay, this is the main task. So let's start. Suppose we traveled, we want to collect the key number 1 and key number 2, then we need to reach out to the exit door. Suppose to collect the key number 1, we go, and suppose let's create some more invisible wall to make it more difficult. Okay, suppose suppose this is also an invisible wall. Okay, now let's start our game. So suppose to collect key number 1, we go to the right first, and suppose this is also an invisible wall. Okay, suppose we go to the right first, so we traveled here. There is no invisible wall, we can definitely travel here, we can definitely travel here. Now again we go right, this is also we can go. Now suppose to collect this key we go down, so definitely we can go down, there is no invisible wall. But when to collect key, when we will go down, there is an invisible wall. This one is an invisible wall. Okay. So we will collide with this. If we will collide with this, again we will move to the start point. Matlab this one. Again we will redirect to this. But now we need to keep this in our mind that this wall is an invisible wall. We identified it and we need to keep in our mind that this wall is an invisible wall. So suppose we already identified it. So suppose now again we will start with the starting point. We again go to right. Now we already know this is an invisible wall. Suppose we go to down. Okay, that's fine. Suppose again we go to down. That is also fine. Now suppose we go right. We can go. So yes, we collected the key. So our key one is collected. Now we need to collect our key two. क्योंकि there can be multiple keys. There can be one key, two key, three key. Okay. So we collected the key one. Now suppose we again travel to left. Again we travel to left. Now again we travel to left, but this is the invisible wall. So we cannot travel to left, but now we identified that this is a invisible wall. So we collided with this. Now again we will start with our starting point. Again we will go like right. Again we will follow the same path. We will go down. Then we will again go down and we will collect our key number one. Now this is collected. Now we will again go like left, left. Now we remember that this wall is an invisible wall because this thing we will keep in our mind. We cannot see on the screen. We will go up. Now suppose we go again like left, left, and now we will go down. So key 2 is also collected. So that's fine. Now we need to go to the exit door. Suppose we go up, 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 and up again. But now this is again an invisible wall. So we cannot go here. So that's why we will again start with the starting point. Now we also identified that this is the invisible wall. Again we will go right, down, down, and we will collect our key. Again we will follow the same path, left, left, up, right, right, down. We will collect our second key. Now again we will go up, 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 and up. Now we identified that this is a invisible wall. We will keep in this our mind. We will go suppose right, then up, and then we will go left, and this is the exit point. So finally we reached out to the exit point, and the game is completed. So that's how we need to play the game. This is the exact game which you will be facing, okay, in your exam, like this kind of game. So I hope this is pretty clear for you guys, like how you need to do, how you need to keep in mind everything. I tried my best to explain you. Also, in the mock test, you will be getting some more examples. Also, you will be getting the technical assessment full paper, which you can purchase. Thank you so much for watching this video.